everyone, it is Sparkle and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. This is another home decor haul from Home Goods. Everything from Home Goods. So I did mention that I had said that my bedroom, because that's what this haul is, everything that I'm gonna show you is going to go in my bedroom. And I had mentioned, I said my bedroom is a mess. Like, it is a mess. I didn't fix it up. It's been a long time. It's not fixed up at all. So I'm going to be doing that. And I just want to show y'all some items that I purchased for my bedroom. So all from Home Goods, all from Home Goods. Love me some Home Goods. And I want to tell y'all, Home Goods, once again, like, they're putting out their Christmas decor. Like, they just put out so much Christmas decor. So much Christmas decor. And also, follow me on Instagram, because as soon as I get done with this video, I'm going to post a video on my Instagram showing y'all some of the stuff that they had at Home Goods for Christmas. So they had these pillows. I didn't get them because I didn't want to get them. But they're for Christmas, and if you love glam, like if you like the glitter stuff, wait till y'all see these pillows at Home Goods. Y'all, they were so pretty. I wanted to get it, but I was like, no, I just didn't want to get it. But I know y'all would like it. So you can use them for the holiday, you know, for Christmas holiday. And I think you can use them all year round if you want to. But for my bedroom, I'm going with, you know, dark neutral colors. I guess you could say that, earth tone colors. So that is what I decided to go with. So this is one of the pillows, because I actually got two of these green pillows, olive green color. I love them. And these are 22 by 22. And you can see the texture. These are so pretty. There you go. And it has like a little pattern in it. You can see it. It's like wavy. But these are 22 by 22. And they are feathered down. So, you know, you can do the chop. But yeah, these were only $19.99, and I picked up two. And I want to show y'all also in this video that I did hang up my curtains. I hung up my curtains in my living room. I took the other ones down and hung those, you know, the new ones up. So I'm gonna show y'all that also. But yeah, so these are the pillows, right? So I got two of those. Y'all, this is a good haul, I'm telling you. It's not a big one, but it's a good haul. So keep watching, keep on watching. So I got these two pillows, right? Okay. Because I'm gonna save the big thing for last. But I'm gonna show y'all that's gonna go with these. Okay, just follow me. So I don't want to show. Woo. So I picked up two vases to go with my decor. These. I bought two of them. They're gold. Really nice. And these were $19.99. $19.99 each. So I don't know if y'all can see that, how it, you know, look how it sits up against the green. You see that? So this is going to be pretty. And here's the other one. Same thing. Same thing. Okay, so these are my vases. That is going to go in my bedroom. And y'all know I love me some curtain panels. So I was like, let me go on and just get some curtain panels. So I picked up these ones. Ralph Lauren. These are so beautiful. They're like a brown and they have like a sheen to them. I don't know if it's picking up, but they are 52 in width and what did it say? 96 in length. Okay. Now, it says on here that it is the back tab panels, and also you can hang them up like this. You can hang them up like that, right? Or they can also be hung up, you know, like the rod pocket. So it's two different ways that you can hang them up. You can use the back tabs. Hold on. You can use those in the back. You see that? You can use that, right? Or you can use the rod pocket. You can do it that way. So, I love these. It's that pretty, like a light chocolate brown. It has the hint of, what is that, silver gray? So, okay. So just look at those colors all together, right? Now I'm gonna show you the canvas that I bought to go with it. And then I have some other stuff that I'm gonna pull out to go with this. But look how beautiful that is. All of that together. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the canvas. All right. So here is the canvas. This is the canvas. Yep, this is it. This was $59.99, only $60. Only $60. All right, so I'm gonna just bring it up closer so y'all can see it, because I don't want to mess up the lighting. Might be too dark if I do it over there, but this is it, y'all. This is it. Y'all can see that, and the frame. Y'all see the color? It has, you know, the pretty greens. It has a little gold. I love it. I love it. So this is it. So all of this is gonna look good together, you know. So yeah. But when I saw it, I said, ooh, I gotta get it. So the frame is like a wood. Y'all can see that, like a, kind of like a, I don't know, gray. Then it looked like it's brown a little bit. But it's beautiful. Now, I don't know what size it is. Let me see. It don't say what size it is. I'm trying to see if it's the same. Let me see. Okay, it's a little bigger than the one that I have, the canvas that I have on my wall in here. It's a little bit bigger than that. But this is it, y'all. This is it. This is so beautiful. And also, I want to show y'all, because I did buy some more decorative bowls, because I'm going to do some more arrangements. So if you didn't see, I did make this, right? I made this. Yep, I made this. So a lot of people liked it, and I went out and I bought some more of these bowls. I bought all that they had left. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make some more arrangements. because I do have, you know, like some potential, what do you say, clients, people that have been asking me to make floor arrangements for them. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna show y'all the other ones that I got. But yeah, so I made this one for myself. Okay. And so let me show y'all the other bowls that I got, just like this. All right, so I bought this one. It's the same size as the gold one. Same size. So when I get done doing the arrangements, like, I'll show y'all the finished look. So I got this. Now this is the one I was talking about when I said they had like a brown color. This is it. And this would even go nice with, you know, with my bedroom colors. So that would go nice, but I'm not going to use it, y'all. This is for, you know, for clients. Okay? Really nice. And y'all know, hold on. So it's good quality. Then this is the smaller one. This is the smaller one. So got that one also. Then I got the medium size. I wish they had more, because I swear I would have bought those, but this is all they had left. So I got that one. And I got another gold one, but this one is a medium size. It's just like that one, but it's just smaller. So, yeah. So I'm going to do some different arrangements in each one. And then, like I said, when I finish, I will show y'all the finished look. I'm waiting on some florals that I, you know, some different floral that I had ordered, so I can go on and do my thing. And yeah, I had ordered like different supplies and stuff. Some of them I already had, but you know, like to do them for other people, you know, I had to have the right stuff. It's different when I'm doing it for me, because you know what I'm saying, it's just different. But if I'm gonna do it for someone else, then I had to make sure, you know, that I have everything so it can be done right. So that is that. Now I want to show y'all my curtain. All right, so here is the curtains hung up. Now I do have to get my steamer and steam them out, but this is it. So they look really good, really good. Yeah, because it got the little wrinkles in there. But, and I was going to wait for them to fall out, but I said, no, I'm going to go on and steam them out. So, they only been hung up for, what, maybe a day or two. But they look really good. Yeah. Now, y'all know I already had the shears hanging up. So, I'm just talking about these ones on the end. See? So yeah, so those are the curtain panels. So they look good. All right, so I'm not gonna hold y'all up, but yeah, it is your girl Sparkle, and if this is your first time watching and you have not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Y'all give me a thumbs up, and I will see y'all in the next video. Thank you for watching.